Hello viewers, I was looking for a mouse that will cost around 300 rupees. So I searched flipkart.com and I found a beautiful mouse of Dell. You can see this mouse that I have bought from Flipkart at a price point of 360 rupees after getting 40 rupees cashback with my SBI credit card. So in this video I will unbox this Dell mouse, as you can see. So let's get started. This is Dell Optical mouse MS116. This is the back side. You can see the MRP of this mouse is 650 rupees. Now I will cut the seal and let's see how the mouse looks like. Inside there is another box. Inside this there is the mouse in wrapper. Now I will cut the wrapper using a scissor. The mouse looks beautiful, as you can see. Textured color and the button are clickable. Dell branding at the back of this mouse. USB port. Now I have connected it with my laptop. As you can see, the red light blinking at the back of the mouse, and there is the rollable ball. There is a good feeling when you click the buttons, left click or right click. It is very smooth and you will enjoy using this mouse. The cable of this mouse is also very large, so you can use it from a distance. If you want to use it from a distance, you can use it. So that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel so that I can make these kinds of videos regularly and frequently. Thank you very much for your support.